Ah, it's rewind time.
Hello, Merry Christmas ACGs and welcome to my channel. It's your Marathi boy, Triple S. Talk about not finding any good jokes. Hashtag Zabardasti Majak. Let's do a Rewind 2020 video. Because YouTube obviously sucks at it, so someone has to do their job, obviously. If some of you are following me from my previous channel, you know that we used to do a YouTube Rewind video every year, which used to be better than YouTube's own version, obviously. But on this fashion-centric, especially streetwear-centric channel, we can't do that, right? Wrong. Upon Jugadu Admi, we find a way for every single thing here. So here we came up with the Fashion Rewind 2020 because no one's doing it. It's not about what I liked or I did not. Well, I will let you know my judgment if I like the trend or not, if you can pull it off in my opinion. But yeah, other than that, you be the judge and let me know in the comment section which one amongst these was your favorite trend or your worst or the least favorite trend. So let's do a smash or pass. Pass is a very decent thing to say on our channel, you know, we need something better. Hey, Triple S bro, come on. Come on. Smash or
fuck off, man.
There's nothing less that I can expect from you. Alright, so निकल fuck off है ना, because editor को थोड़ी कम मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी and we don't have a lot of time. We'll also add a little bit of trends and a little bit of here and there from 2019 because not a lot of trends were like up this year straight. There were very few trends that came up this year because what happened was a lot of 2019 trends grew to exponential heights in this year and became really big in this year. Plus we did not do a 2019 version of Rewind on YouTube, so this is it, a 2-in-1 Rewind. Let's start with the very obvious ones straight away. You all know this. You all saw this coming from a mile away. Raf Simons bomber jacket. Well, who did not have this? Except you. Except for me, because I did not have the money to spend. Stick to your normal streetwear and those little streetwear brands so that I can help these Indian streetwear brands more and more. It's just about the sneakers. I just buy the sneakers most of the times. But talking about Raf Simons jacket, it's going on from a few years. It's not like it's here, but this jacket specifically, this jacket right here, it was like a huge boom. Like everyone's got it, everyone's wearing it, and it's expensive. But still people are getting this. But you know what? This gave a rise to the new trend, the camo plus the printing and the patchwork on it. It's just a new trend that a lot of fast fashion brands adapted to it as well. So yeah, pretty stuff right here, but I like the jacket really. Plus the other one that I also got my hands on, luckily, were the SB Dunks. More specifically the Travis Scott SB Dunks and the Ben & Jerry's SB Dunks that came out this year. You know, they were huge. They're still going on. People are rocking them till now. The Travis Scott SB Dunks are one of my favorite sneakers, or not the favorite sneaker that I own. Plus we made a separate videos on SB Dunks and also how you can style those SB Dunks. So I don't have a lot of good or poorly written jokes on SB Dunks because I wrote it all already in this video. So just go and watch those videos, you know. What do I say about the SB Dunks? It's an obvious smash. The next big thing that also happened that shook the fashion industry and turned its direction kind of, it's coronavirus. Have you heard about it? I don't need to talk about COVID-19 on this channel. Let's just talk about the impact that it had on the fashion industry. The biggest impact that you can see, or the biggest accessory that you can see this year, is obviously the face masks. And god oh god, there are so many different types of face masks, dude. But I really like the trend, you know, matching face masks with your outfit, matching patterns with your outfit patterns, your sneakers, matching it with your sneakers and all that good stuff. It's just great. You know, you are safe, at the same time you look so good, and it's just cool. I feel after this year it's gonna be pretty much a basic thing that everyone pulls off. So what do I say about this trend? Is it a smash or is it a bhagav hai na? It's a smash from me. So let's spank that smash button. Then there's the quarantine hair and beard look that most of the celebrities and a lot of common people, like everyone, almost pulled off this year. Even I wanted to do it, but as always, your boy is super late for the trend. As you can see, it's like I'm 2 months in. It'll take like another year to completely grow out. And the huge beard, of course, but I don't think I'll pull off a huge beard because I look like too old when I have a huge beard. So this is the most I'll stick to, even I'm gonna trim this in a few days. So yeah, you know what, except for the clothing and stuff, if you ask about my opinion about the masks and the hair and the beard style and stuff, you don't really have a choice, do you? You didn't have a choice back then to cut your hair and stuff. But it depends on the people who pulled it off. If you did it right, then you look amazing. But if you did not, you look like a crazy homeless person. Just like our very own Triple S Bhau. Mother Uchiya. Oh, Naruto joke, Naruto joke. For the masks and the well done beards and hair, it's a smash. The next thing on our list is something that did not come out this year. It's from a few years, but it became really big this year. It's Harajuku, which is basically Japanese streetwear, you know. Japanese streetwear in general just became huge. Maybe we'll add this in the next year's rewind as well. Not just that, but Korean fashion as well is just growing exponentially. It's just growing too big every year. We just have to add it every year. I don't think there's a stop to this trend, but it looks absolutely amazing. I really adore their type of fashion they got. It's just amazing. The Japanese culture especially, I just love it. So yeah, a huge smash. And if you think so, I'm not really a racist for putting Korean streetwear and Japanese streetwear on the same list. I'm not. These are the only two outside of the Western cultures that grew really big. Then the next thing on our list are these statement blazers. If you think about it, they are like the Louis Vuitton of luxury brands. It's not something that I would really wear, but if you're into it, you can go for it. You can pair it up with your streetwear outfits sometimes, but it's pretty hard to do, I'd say. Because solid colored blazers or these coats look much better in my opinion. Yours could be different. If you like it, you can go for it or just not. It's just my opinion. If you ask for my opinion for this one, it's the next thing on our list would be Cuban collars. Cuban collars, obviously, guys. Cuban collars are huge this year and even last year, actually. Whenever I see someone wearing these Cuban collars, I just assume they are drug lords who are just off to a beach for a drug deal or something. Or he could be just your regular, everyday, normal motherfucker chilling on the beach with his beach.
Just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I don't have a girlfriend, my hand's my only lover.
So yeah, Cuban collars looks absolutely great in streetwear, and if you just wear it with your, like your casual outfit, it goes well with it as well. It has a very rich aesthetic to it, which I dig actually. And if I got the chance to be at a place where there are underworld criminals, drug lords and stuff, I would for sure wear this, a Cuban chain and a cigar in my mouth, That's the look I'd go for. So what do you say about Cuban collars? It's an absolute smash, as I'm smashing every single trend out there. If you like the way this video is going on, give this video a like. It would be much appreciated. And also smash that subscribe button if you want to smash your crush. Then the next trend on our list are bucket hats, pastel colored bucket hats, or just pastel colors in general. Yeah, you have seen a lot of pastel colors here and there. We've also talked about pastel colors a little bit and how much I love it and how well this guy pulled that outfit so like on point, with that matching ice cream and stuff. So if you haven't watched that video, the video link is right here. But apart from that, pastel colors look absolutely amazing. And obviously your bucket hats. Not a huge fan of this bucket hat trend, not really for me. I wouldn't really wear a bucket hat, but yeah, it certainly looks good on a few people. Oh, she's so cute. So yeah, apart from that, there's not a middle ground right here. So I'll just have to give it a, what do I say? You know what? If you're talking about in terms of your pastel colors, it's an absolute smash. But if you're talking in terms of bucket hats, it's what you know it is. It's a third last trend on our list is, oh god, tie-dye. You've all seen this at this point. Tie-dye is just everywhere right now. I had this sudden urge 2 months back to just get tie-dye, to get a tie-dye set and make one of my own, So I just went online and went to order this one thing, and it was sold out. All right, I came back after like 3 days, it was still sold out. I came back after a week, it was still sold out. I came back after like 2 weeks, it was still sold out. So I was just so bored that I just got over the trend. So yeah, weird thing to happen, you know. Apart from that, I feel tie-dye gives off a very hippie vibe. If you're into that hippie vibe, which I'm kind of into, not all the time, but I'm kind of into, if I layer the clothes properly and stuff, I won't just wear a complete tie-dye outfit. But yeah, one part of it, specific part of it, whether it's the sneakers or it's the t-shirt, I would definitely go for it once in a while. So apart from that, tie-dye, the trend is really great. It's here from a few years now, but this year it just got very big. It just blew up. So yeah, in terms of tie-dye, I'd say it is kind of a smash. Whew, we're getting to the end now, guys. Second last trend on our list is Fila chonks, you know, Fila chonky sneakers. It was everywhere. You know, before when you tried to avoid TikTokers and, you know, TikTok shit by going on Instagram so that you can feel an escape, Instagram is TikTok now, so there's no escape at this point. I don't know what would be better at this point. Just go back to Facebook, because every chapri out there is on Instagram already, so at least you will be safe on Facebook, you know. There are a lot of boomers on Facebook, but boomers are better than chapris. Yeah, talking about these Fila chonky sneakers. Ugh, I can't tell you how much I hate these sneakers. No, I don't hate the chunky sneakers because I own a few of them and I love those, like the Air Max 720. I like the Balenciaga Triple S, alright? It's one of my very favorite sneakers. But this one right here, it's got a very super chapri vibe to it now. It's like every big TikToker out there, every single one of them owns one. It's something that I would never ever wear now. And Fila, I don't know, Fila, I don't ever think that I'll ever wear Fila anymore. Yeah, so yeah, at this point you all know what this is and how much. I don't know what you think about this one. Let me know that in the comment section. And till then, let's just give it a big old fashioned. And the final trend. Oh, bell-bottom denim. Oh god. Okay, let's clear out a few things here, you know. Pre-internet zamana, when most of the Indians did not have an internet connection. During that time, whatever trends were set in the Western culture, it used to be trending in India after like 10-15 years, you know. 10-15 years. The best example that I can let you know is it's 70s fashion in the Western culture. It was bell-bottom denim or just your jeans everywhere, you know. You've seen these pants, right? It was the 1970s to 80s, okay, that time around. Let's say it's 1980s. Then in 2010, which was like 10 years back, you know, came Golmaal 3, where Ajay Devgan Sahab was wearing bell-bottom denim. 30 years have been passed since 1980. And that is what Indians were wearing in 2010. You pull out almost any Bollywood film before 2010. I guarantee you someone is wearing bell-bottom denim in there. Most of the times it would be the lead character. Similarly, after the internet boom began, which was like 5-6 years back, in India the trends got here much more sooner than before. And people just sometimes, you know what, just are not ready to give up a few trends. Just like this one that came out in like 2012-13, Zayn Malik wala this hair color, which every chapri guy out there just does all the time. Still to this day, I see a few kids do this. So yeah, according to that, I'd say an estimate average time that any trend takes to come in India or just boom in India it's like a year. More like 8 months to 10 months. That's how much time it takes. And this shitty trend, spoiler alert, that I absolutely hate is back again. People are wearing it in the West. We, after so long, got rid of this trend. I don't want this shit to come back in India. Oh, it just looks so bad. The silhouette is just ruined instantly when you wear this. There is not a single sneaker that you can pair up with these denim. Alright, if you want something streetwear-ish, trendy, go for these oversized denims, which are just not oversized below your knees, you know, which is completely oversized, just tapered so that you don't look super short and stuff. These are a much better options, okay? So in my opinion, it is complete trash. I just hate the trend completely, and as you all know, it's a complete and that is all for today's video, people. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for joining with our last video of this year. This year was utterly shit. Yeah, I know it was the hardest year of our time. For me, it was, okay. Who knows, the next year could be way more difficult. It could be much better. Who knows, you know. But this year was all about survival, and we all did it. We've obviously lost a few people that we knew, some very close people that we knew. Yeah, it's sad, but that is how life is. So we just have to work on our lives and just keep moving on, alright? It's just about taking care of the people and protecting the people that we care about. I'm not really good at talking about all of this, but basically I hope that your next year would be much better. It would be awesome, really much better than this year. That is the most I could expect. So apart from that, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know why you liked or disliked this video in the comment section below. Join our amazingly supportive server, our Discord server, the Anti-Chapri Gang ACG. Join that server for some amazingly hilarious memes. You can make ones and you can also look at them and just laugh. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned below. It's at StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. I'm also on Snapchat for sharing for some personal stuff here and there, almost on a day-to-day basis. So go add me on Snapchat as well. I'm on Twitter too, where I am active a lot of the times, hopefully. Okay, finally I'm active on Twitter. So go follow me at STylescape on Twitter. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Happy holidays. Stay stylish, ACGs. Triple S out. Spank sound effect. Realistic sounds. There you have it. We make our own sound effects, guys.